Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and healthy as well. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Karina. I love to paper craft and also to organize my crafty supplies. So if you're interested in watching these type of videos, just keep on watching. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 projects that I put together. The first one, it's a printer's tray that I decorated with all my Valentines, stickies, knickknacks, embellishments, papers, etc. And also 2 wreaths that I put together. I follow a tutorial and I'm going to leave the tutorial in the description box below. So let's go ahead and roll the camera so you can watch what I put together. Well, I am here. I'm going to show you 3 projects that I put together, and I put 2 wreaths and also this printer's tray. I originally had this printer's tray in my former craft room and it was full of mini stamps. So now that I'm in a different craft room, I decided just to decorate it with some Valentines little knickknacks. So what I did was, I'm gonna come closer so you can see each compartment. I use my stash. I had pebbles, ephemera, crepe paper ephemera, etc, etc, etc. So like on the first one, just cut a paper which is pink, and as you can see I distributed the colors so everything balanced out, and stitch these little ephemera. These 2 are trims. As you can see, if I flip this trim, how you can see, so I stitch that. This is a mini envelope ephemera. This is a cupcake embellishment from Mary collection, I believe, and I stick it into a foamy sticky and then glue a lip gem that I had. Another piece of ephemera from crepe paper, put some of my golden trims, a pom-pom. The next one, let's go to the other row, come closer, flower with some bows, one of the crepe papers, paper clips. These are beads, so I glue them over here. Some of my stickies, another flower with the heart day embellishment, and I put together this mini, I love this one. It's a mini rosette on a heart shape with a straw and 2 little pom-poms. This is another piece of ephemera, so gorgeous. Gonna go to the next section. Everything is just layered really coordinated so you can see everything flows, and use more embellishments. This is another one. I was happy that I shopped my stash because I had like plenty of Valentines things here and there, like these mini tulips, more trims, and this is, I believe, is from Main Squeeze, these ephemera. And you see all the ephemera matches, like the same tones. This is a mini sticky, and then ephemera from Pebbles. And then the last row, I had so many pom-poms, so I'm like, okay, how can I use these pom-poms? I'm gonna add them, glue them here. I have these little pieces of dominoes and that I got in a swap a couple of years ago. A tassel, come just look at this way, right? More pom-poms, this mini pin, and a little mini embellishment with more pom-poms. And I love this. This is a puff sticky from Pebbles and Trim. So as you can see, I'm gonna, yeah, as you can see, it turned out so cute. I love it. Now I'm gonna move to the wreaths. So I watched a tutorial on how to make wreaths with wire ribbon, and I'm gonna link that tutorial in the description box below. So my first attempt to make the Valentine's wreath. So I use a couple of wired ribbons that I had in my stash that I've been collecting it. So, and it turned out super cute. I love it. It's very texture, super cute. And this wreath goes into the front door of my living room. So then, of course, I needed one for my craft room, right? So I put together this one. And I just loved how it turned out. And a lot of texture, a lot of ribbons everywhere. And this is the hanging, so I hang it in my craft room. And as you can see, I kept consistency again. Used like 4 types of ribbons and trims, and I glue some of these foamy hearts that I had 2 years ago. So I was really happy that I was able to use my stash, so I didn't have to buy anything. But if you are thinking of doing this type of wreath, you can just get the heart shape wire from Dollar Tree. That's where I got my heart shapes. So I love it how it turned out. I hope you like these projects, and if you want to see more type of these, like craft room decor, just let me know in the comments down below. Thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you in my next video. Bye.